Good morning and happy Saturday, happy Memorial Day weekend. I am on my way to go get my dress fitted for the second time. Hopefully I can take it home, but we'll see. I'm very excited. Last night I spent a lot of time working on flowers for my church. It has been a little nerve-wracking, I would say. I feel like there's a lot of pressure with church flowers. I don't know. I hope they turned out okay. When I went to go bring them in this morning, everybody said they were beautiful, so fingers crossed that it works out. After I go get my dress fitted, I'm going to go with Connor to go check out his tuck situation. So we went through Friar Tucks, which has been really nice and they've been very helpful. So I don't know if you are in the market to rent tuxes or suits, but they've been awesome. And we went to the one in Huntington Beach. They were great. After that, I think he wants to take me on a date, so we'll see. I think he was saying Santa Monica, like walking the pier, going to dinner, but I don't know. It's kind of gloomy today. Hopefully the sun, comes out and we can go on a nice little sunset dinner and walk and all that. And then tomorrow is Connor's confirmation. Connor and his dad, actually, they're getting confirmed. So they've been baptized and had their first Holy Communion, but just never got their confirmation. So really excited. It actually worked out perfect right before our wedding. So all of the sacraments are done, and then now just getting married. So it's such a wonderful thing to celebrate tomorrow. And then on Monday, we're gonna just hang out at the house and barbecue and maybe make some smash burgers. So I'm really excited. It'll be a nice relaxing weekend. I think I'll do some wedding crafts this week, so I'll show you guys that. I think I need to work on like my matchboxes and my seating charts / like table numbers and little wedding favors. So it's coming up. I think it's 21 days, 20 days? I don't know, but we're getting to the 20s, into the teens, so I can't believe it. It's been a long time coming. A little stressful right now, but not too bad. I feel like I've been being pretty zen. I have a really good team I'm working with, like for catering. We're doing Jay's Catering, and they're awesome. Our venue, they're amazing. My day of coordinator, awesome. So I'm very lucky. I'm so excited. I can't wait to take you guys along. Good morning and happy Sunday. Last night was so much fun. We ended up going up to Santa Monica and then getting dinner at Fogo de Chao. If you've never been to Fogo de Chao, it's a Brazilian steakhouse where they like come around and like slice you like with meats. It's really good. My stomach kind of hurts though. I think I ate too much yesterday, but it was great. After we had dinner, we walked around, went down to the pier. I love walking down a good beach pier. It's just so fun. I don't know, like I love being able to like people watch and, you know, kind of hang out, look at the ocean. It's so romantic. Connor and I love to people watch. It's kind of one of the things that we do together. It's pretty fun. And then the best place to people watch is the Santa Monica Pier because there's so many people. And it was just so fun. It's so lively. It's like the start of summer, Memorial Day weekend, you know, just hanging out. Unfortunately, it's a little gloomy, a little cold these last couple days, but you know, can't complain. It's still beautiful. Tomorrow, I think we're gonna plan to have a pool day, so hopefully it warms up a tad. I don't think it will, but if not, we'll just kind of hang out inside and watch some movies as a family, maybe go on a walk on the beach, so we'll see. But today, we have a very special day. We have Connor and his dad's confirmation, so as you can see, I'm dressed up for church. I actually really do love this dress, by the way. It's from Amazon, so I will link that below, but can't wait. I'm so proud of them. They've been going to class every Sunday, so it's been a long time coming, even though I feel like they got it off kind of easy because I got confirmed when I was in high school and I had to go every Tuesday for 2 years. Every Tuesday for 2 years, and I think it was like a 2-hour class. It is very intense, and like if you missed, it was a whole ordeal, so, but you know, it's not a competition. So I didn't remind myself that. I'm just very happy that they're getting confirmed, but it'll be such a nice day. We're gonna go to the mass, obviously, and I'm his confirmation sponsor, so we're getting there a little early. We have to go through our rehearsal and practice what we're doing. And then after, we're gonna go to breakfast. So I can't wait. I think I'm gonna get some pancakes, even though it'll be like 1 o'clock at that point, but we'll see. Maybe I'll change my mind. But we're going to Polly's Pies, and if you haven't been there before, they have really good pancakes. Obviously really good pies too, but the breakfast and their food is all good, so yeah. We're just gonna have a nice day at home, and after that, maybe do some wedding crafts. I know I said I was gonna do that yesterday, but then yesterday just got crazy, so we will be doing some wedding crafts sometime either today or tomorrow. I'm gonna do the bar signage, so I'm sure it's all over. It's really popular right now. It's like the silver trays, and like within the silver tray, like you print out what's like on the bar or what's at the bar. And so I'm gonna work on that this weekend. And I need to work on like my matchbooks and just little things because I know it's gonna come up. Like I think we're 20 days today, 20 days out, so we are less than 3 weeks away, which is like crazy to me. And honestly, like the week before doesn't really count because we're doing a bunch of other things, so like all my like little crafts need to be done within these next 2 weeks, so it's gonna be a little crazy. There's just a lot going on, but all good things, all fun things, and we'll see how it goes today. We'll see if I get to my crafts. Hopefully I do, and maybe I really want to make the dot cakes for tomorrow, like the Memorial Day dot cakes. I did order some sprinkles, some red, white and blue sprinkles, to do the little dot cakes with for Memorial Day, of course, and because who doesn't love some cake? But those are really popular now, so we'll see if we get to that, and yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day. Okay, I'm currently in the process of doing some wedding DIYs, and I'm really excited about this one because it took me like 2 minutes to do, and it was so much fun. So here it is. I'm not done, and I think this is just kind of my first run through. There's some like weird like printing, and I feel like my printer does that when I haven't printed in a while, or it's like the first round of printing for like today. So I think it looks pretty good. It's like those, I'm sure they're really popular on Instagram right now and like TikTok, but it's like the silver tray and the wedding signage. So like I have like what's going to be at the bar, for example, and it was so easy, so cheap. And then I bought these little set of stands. Yeah, 6-inch display stands. Yeah, so here, and it's just gonna pop on there. Boom. So cute. I love it. And I love this this tray. It has a mirror on it, so I'm not going to take off the paper because it'll just reflect what's behind the camera. And it's a mess, so I'm not going to show you that. But it's really cute, and I love it, and I think I could repurpose it later. I already have like a silver tray that I put my makeup on, so this could be something else, like maybe perfumes. I don't have a ton of perfumes, but the few I have would be really cute on this. It's really light too. It's plastic. It's not even super heavy or like, you know, nothing crazy. So if it like if I lost it, or if it like got damaged within like all the wedding craziness, I wouldn't be too sad. So I mean, I'll be sad because it's really nice, but it's not the worst thing in the world to lose or to damage. So I'm really excited. I think it turned out really well. It was so easy. I didn't even use my Cricut for this. I just cut it out with scissors, and yeah, not that bad. It was, I saw some girl on TikTok kind of like walk me through the process. It was so easy, and just look it up on TikTok. And it just measure your shape out and make it transparent, the shape, and then after that make your border one stroke and put your text in it, and then you're done. And then just print it, and boom, there you go. I did use like a kind of like a brownish paper, I would say, so it's not like completely white, to make it look a little bit more like distressed, I guess. But that's just the look I'm going for. So here it is. I think it's super cute. I'm really excited. I thought this was going to take me a little bit longer, so I'm excited. I'm going to work on I think my table numbers now too, just because I'm going to use the same paper, and it's really easy. I'm just going to print it out and then maybe put on a movie and cut them out. I don't even want to pull up my Cricut for it, but maybe I will, just so it looks nice. Like this one, you can't see the edges, and it's not perfect, but I guess maybe for the table numbers I should. We'll see. Anyway, yeah, I have a lot more DIYs to do. I still have to do my matchbooks, which I keep saying. I kind of delay it because those ones are really cute, and they turned out well. I'll have to show you what they look like later once I'm done with them, but I feel like I'm not doing a great job with them. So hopefully they look cute, and hopefully people, if you're watching this and you're in my family and you're going to my wedding, hopefully you like them. But they are kind of a pain to do. So I saw them like being advertised on social media, and it might be worth paying for if you're not a big DIYer. Just, I would buy them. I like to DIY, so this is fun for me, but if you're not into it, then I would highly recommend just paying for it. So anyway, yeah, I will continue to do this tomorrow. If I don't get to you by tomorrow, we will be having a nice little barbecue for Memorial Day and just hanging out. It's a little cold, so maybe we won't go in the pool, but I think I said that earlier, but we're definitely doing dot cake because my sister Gabby, she saw my Amazon order, and she saw the dot sprinkles, and she goes, "What are you making with those sprinkles?" And I go, "Dot cake." And she's like, "Well, it'll definitely be over tomorrow." So now I kind of have to make it, and I'm excited. I don't know what I'll put it in, but I'm very excited. And we're going to just use Funfetti box mix, so nothing crazy. I'm not going to go make a legit Funfetti cake, but that's the best. Funfetti box mix is the best. So I'll be making that. We're going to do some smash burgers, I think I already said that, and then hopefully get some more DIYs done because it's coming up fast. So I'm very excited. Also, Connor's officially confirmed. We're so proud of him, and his father, of course, Mr. Crook. So we're very happy, and we had a lovely morning. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm going to continue to make these, and then I will show you what I end up with. So yeah. you.